back Auto Tech Review channel, the place where we explore the wildest, most powerful, and most luxurious machines in the world. If you love rare cars, crazy innovations, and jaw-dropping price tags, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly unbelievable. We'll talk about the futuristic Bugatti Motorhome 2026, the legendary Plymouth Cuda 440, and the jaw-dropping creation that has been labeled as one of the world's most expensive Plymouths ever built. Buckle up, because this ride is going to be insane. Let's start with the Bugatti Motorhome 2026. Imagine the unmatched speed and luxury of a Bugatti hypercar fused into the body of a luxury motorhome. That's exactly what this creation brings to the table. It's not just a camper or a van with a Bugatti badge. This is a masterpiece designed to be the ultimate home on wheels. The exterior looks futuristic, with sleek aerodynamic curves, sharp LED lighting, and a design that screams elegance. But the real magic begins once you step inside. The Bugatti Motorhome isn't about camping, it's about living like royalty while traveling. Inside, you'll find hand-stitched leather seats, a lounge area that feels like a five-star suite, smart glass walls that tint with a touch, and even a private bedroom with luxury bedding. The kitchen is fitted with high-end appliances, and there's even a spa-style bathroom. But beyond comfort, it also packs cutting-edge technology, autonomous driving capabilities, advanced navigation, and a hybrid engine system that combines efficiency with serious horsepower. And of course, the price tag is just as crazy as you'd expect. We're talking in the millions. It's not a vehicle for the average traveler, it's for billionaires who want to drive a Bugatti while also living in one. Now, let's shift gears to something completely different but equally legendary, the Plymouth Cuda 440. For muscle car lovers, this car is pure nostalgia and power. The Plymouth Barracuda, especially the 1970 Cuda 440 variant, is one of the most iconic American muscle cars of all time. Known for its aggressive stance, massive hood scoops, and that trembling 7.2-liter V8 engine, the Cuda 440 was a beast on the road. Back in its day, the Cuda was one of the cars that defined an entire era of performance machines. It was raw, loud, and unapologetically powerful. Car collectors around the world consider the Cuda 440 a holy grail, and today, finding one in pristine condition can cost hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions, at auctions. The appeal is simple. It's not just a car, it's a piece of American muscle history. But what if I told you there's something even more shocking in the Plymouth world? That's right, the most expensive Plymouth ever created. When we think of Plymouth, we usually think of affordable performance cars from the golden muscle car era. But rare editions and highly customized restorations have taken Plymouths into the world of multi-million-dollar collectibles. One of the rarest examples, a Plymouth HEMI Cuda convertible, has crossed the auction block for staggering sums, making it one of the world's most expensive muscle cars. We're talking numbers that rival modern hypercars. What makes it so valuable? Rarity, originality, and legacy. Plymouth may not exist as a brand anymore, but its legends like the Cuda continue to live on. Collectors pay insane amounts of money for these cars because they represent a time when automakers built machines without limits, designed for pure performance and street dominance. So on one hand, we have the Bugatti Motorhome 2026, a futuristic symbol of wealth and innovation. On the other, we have the Plymouth Cuda 440, a raw, iconic beast from the golden muscle era. And then there's the crown jewel of the world's most expensive Plymouth, proving that history and rarity can make a brand just as valuable as the newest technology. This shows us something really interesting about the world of cars. It's not just about speed or luxury. It's about emotion, design, and legacy. A Bugatti Motorhome represents the futuria, a lifestyle of ultra-luxury travel. The Plymouth Cuda 440 represents the pastime of pure, unfiltered power. And the most expensive Plymouth shows how timeless cars can become priceless. So, which one captures your heart more? The futuristic Bugatti Motorhome with its rolling mansion vibes, or the raw, thunderous muscle of the Plymouth Cuda 440, or maybe you're fascinated by how a Plymouth can be worth millions today? Let me know in the comments below, because I'd love to hear your thoughts. That wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed this look at the Bugatti Motorhome 2026, the Plymouth Cuda 440, and the world's most expensive Plymouth, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing car content. Turn on the notifications so you never miss out on the next big automotive story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.